Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through a quick demonstration of AWS Identity and Access Management, known as IAM console. With IAM, you create identities such as users, groups, and roles, and attach policies to those identities to specify which services they can access. A quick disclaimer: when you first create the AWS account, you become the account owner. At AWS, we recommend that you create an administrator account for all daily tasks. I have already created an admin account. I'll be using this account to show you how to create users and groups in IAM. Then we will attach the AWS managed policy to a user group. The policy will let the new user have full access to Amazon Simple Storage Service, or Amazon S3. To begin, in the AWS Management Console, search for IAM. Choose IAM from the list. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Users. On the Users page, you may notice the Admin user. This user has full administrative access in my account. I created this user in advance. In the top corner on the right, you may see that I have already signed in with the admin credentials. As the admin, I also created a folder in Amazon S3. Now I need to create a delegated user who will be able to access images, create new buckets, and complete other work-related tasks only in Amazon S3. To create a new user, choose Add Users. Enter a name for a user. For example, User A. Choose Provide User Access to the AWS Management Console. For password, you can choose the automatically generated password, or you can enter a custom password. Select the option that's more convenient for you. I'm going to create a custom password. Also, I don't want to prompt the new user to create a new password at next sign-in, so I'm going to clear this option. Then choose Next, and choose Next again until you're prompted to create a user. Choose Create User. If you decided to auto-generate a password for the next user, make sure you save the password for your records. When you're ready, choose Return to Users list. Choose Continue. User A now appears in the list. Now let's create a user group. All users in this group will have access to Amazon S3. In the navigation pane, choose User Groups. Then choose Create Group. Enter a name for your group. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Under Attach Permissions Policies, you may notice that all of the policies have an orange cube right before the policy name. This means that these are AWS managed policies. Optionally, you can create a custom policy. In our demo, we will not be doing that. A policy that provides full access to Amazon S3 already exists. In the search field, search for Amazon S3. Then choose Amazon S3 Full Access. I'm going to choose the policy link to show you how the policy permissions work. In the JSONs tab, you may see that the policy allows actions. All of these actions apply to Amazon S3 and Lambda functions that you can invoke from S3. The asterisks mean that all actions are allowed. For example, you can create a bucket, download images, get a bucket location, and so on. The last item in the script is the resource key. The asterisk here means that the policy will grant full permissions to every item in Amazon S3. In this demo, we will not be modifying the policy. Instead, let's go back to the Create User Group page to finish creating a group. Make sure that Amazon S3 Full Access policy is selected, then scroll to the bottom of the page and choose Create Group. We just created a group that has full permissions to Amazon S3. I wonder if our user can now access the images. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Users. Choose User A. In the Security Credentials tab, copy the console sign-in link. Then paste the link into the new browser window. Now sign in with the User A credentials. Open the Amazon S3 console. It looks like our user doesn't have permissions to perform actions in the S3 console. Why do we have this issue? Remember that when we created a user group, we didn't actually attach any users to the group. For user A to have access to Amazon S3, we need to add the user to the user group. In this case, let's sign out from user A account. And now sign back into the console with admin credentials. Open the IAM console. In the navigation pane on the left, choose User Groups. Open the S3 Access User Group. Choose Add Users. Choose User A and choose Add Users. Now User A is part of the S3 Access User Group. Let's check if User A can now access images in the Amazon S3 bucket. On the left navigation pane, choose Users. Choose User A. In the Security Credentials tab, copy the sign-in link and enter the link in the new window in the browser. Sign in with the User A credentials. Open the Amazon S3 console to check if you have access to the buckets. Congratulations! User A now has full access to Amazon S3. You can create buckets, you can download files, and you can complete all other tasks in Amazon S3. Thanks for watching.